Okay, everyone, so the first line of the song goes like this. So it starts with two strokes on a 7th fret of third string, then two strokes on 8th fret of second string, two more strokes, 10 and slide down to 12, 8 and hammer on 10, 10 and slide down to 12, again 12, 13, two strokes on 10 of first, 10 and slide down to 12, then 8 and slide down to 10, 10 and slide up to 8, 7 and slide up to 5. So the playing for this line is right. I hope you got that. You have to play this line one more time. So let's play it together really slow one more time. Okay, now the next line goes like this. So we ended the first line on 5th fret of first string. Then again give a stroke on 5th fret of first string and slide down to 8. Then two strokes on 8. Then two strokes on 12th fret of first string. Pull it off on 10. Two strokes on 10. What you're playing is then two strokes on 12th fret of second string. 10 and slide up to 8. Two strokes on 10, slide down to 12. 10 and hammer on pull off on 12. Two strokes on 8. What I'm playing for this line is okay. Then the next line is starts on 12th fret of second string, 12, 13, 10 of first, 12 of second, 13, two strokes on 12 of first, like this. Then the next line is starts on 10th fret of second string, 12, 13, 10, 12, two strokes on 10 of first, like this. Now the third line. Okay, so this line starts on 8th fret of second string. 8, 10, 12. 8, 10. 10. Again 3 strokes. 8, 7. 9 of third. 7. Then 3 strokes on 8 of second. Like this. So auto playing for the third line is. Right, I hope you got that. Now you have to play this whole part one more time, but there's a slight change when you play the line happy birthday. I'll show you how it goes. These are the two additions. So just play happy birthday to your first line. I'll explain the types for this line. After that, give a stroke on 17th fret, then 12, like this. Okay, then the next line. So again the next line is, I'll explain the types for this. Then give a stroke on 15th fret and 10th fret, like this. Then the third line is exactly similar. Right, I hope you got that. For any doubts, you can always refer the written types. The link is in description. And yeah guys, I guess that's it for the tutorial of Baar Then Aaye. For any doubts, queries or requests, get in touch with me on Instagram. My Insta ID is right over here. And please don't forget to drop a like for this video. And please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Right, thank you guys, thanks for watching.